In 1968, Hollywood produced a cinematic release of the classic William Shakespeare story, Romeo and Juliet. Leonard Whiting and Olivia Hussey starred in the Frank Zeffirelli production, and they were teenagers at the time. Funnily enough, I remember watching this because we studied it in high school. One of the scenes consists of some brief partial nudity. That is, you get to see Romeo's butt, and you kind of get to see Juliet's chest. By modern standards, it's completely unscintillating. However, a lawsuit has just been filed by these two for $500 million from Paramount Pictures. The pair were apparently assured on set that the nudity would not be part of the final cut. They're now alleging, because remember, this was a 16-year-old and 15-year-old at the time, that Paramount illegally and unlawfully distributed their images. The case alleges that Paramount should have known that they were distributing child exploitation images, and therefore they're seeking $500 million in damages. Interestingly enough, the case is only possible because California had a temporary removal of the statute of limitations on these type of cases that took place early in December 2022. Previous to that, they had fallen outside of the time frame they had to bring their case. What happens from here will be legally quite interesting. Since that time, there's been huge changes in Hollywood, particularly the way that Hollywood treats teenagers and young people on set. And Frank Zeffirelli, the director, he passed away in 2019, and he won't be in a position to give any evidence as to what he did or did not say to the young actors. So the case will ultimately succeed, I think, as an ancillary issue. I think the larger issue is whether or not this will open the floodgates to more cases of this nature, because this case might be considered quite trivial compared to some of the stuff that Hollywood did and knows about.